The first day of the first lunar month is Spring Festival, the beginning of a new year for China. Spring Festival is China's biggest extravaganza and a day for family reunion. Being around family members at the turn of the year is a vital ritual for the Chinese people. Many of those living away from their hometowns return home during Spring Festival, which gives rise to what's called the largest annual human migration in the world, also known as a Spring Festival travel rush. The Spring Festival celebration is a continuous process. Starting from the 23rd or 24th of the 12th lunar month, people often worship the kitchen god, clean their houses, do their shopping, and put up Spring Festival couplets until New Year's Eve on the lunar calendar. These customs can be traced back to a Chinese legend. It is said that in ancient times, there was a monster named Nian who would come out and harm the world by the end of each lunar year. People then took measures to send the monster away, such as putting up red couplets as Nian detested the color red, and setting off fireworks and firecrackers at their doors to scare it away. In addition to staying up late on New Year's Eve, having a New Year's Eve dinner and watching the Spring Festival Gala are two important customs of Spring Festival. New Year's Eve dinner are manifested in different ways in different parts of China. Those in South China must have a dish of fish, because fish in Chinese sounds similar to the character for prosperity, symbolizing an abundant and comfortable life. Those in North China often eat dumplings, which symbolize reunion and fortune. The Spring Festival Gala is a variety TV program broadcast annually to celebrate the Lunar New Year. The gala attracts the largest audience of any entertainment show in the world and runs for more than 4 hours, making it the longest TV show in the world. It is often held as a cultural feast for Chinese people on New Year's Eve. There's also a custom of giving and receiving red